Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur a video in Canva. Let's get into it. First, upload and pick your video. Click on the video once so a purple box appears around it, showing the computer which item you want to change. Because the computer needs to know exactly which file you want to work on, you have to pick the video so the tools for changing pictures show up at the top of the screen. Without this step, the computer won't know you want to make things blurry, and the right buttons will stay hidden. Next, find the Edit Video button. You need to look for the special menu that lets you change the look and feel of your movie. Look at the top bar above your work area and click on the button that says Edit. Look on the left side of the screen where a new list of tools will pop up for you to use. It opens up the secret menu where all the fun tools are kept. By clicking this button, you are telling the system you want to do more than just move the video around. It ensures you can see all the different ways to change the colors and the focus of your movie. Next, choose the Blur tool. Now you need to find the specific tool that makes the picture look soft and fuzzy instead of sharp. Scroll down through the list of tools on the left. If the tool is available in your Canva, you can see the one for blur or effects. From there, you can click on the blur icon and wait for the small slider bar to appear so you can control the effect. And if it's not available, in this case, you can click on Elements and search for Blur Overlay. It may not be the best option for blur effect, but still works pretty well if you want to cover text or certain informations. And that's it. To blur a video in Canva, you must first put your video on the screen and click it. Then, you click the Edit Video button at the top to find your tools. Next, you pick the blur tool from the side menu to make the picture fuzzy. Finally, you use the slider to pick the right amount and save your work. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.